Hi friends, join me today on a special mission. You are now device detectives. Your job is to explore the world of computers and spot all the input and output devices. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we enter the land of input devices, the superheroes who send secret messages to the computer. Right? They allow people to enter data or commands into the computer. So let's look at the superheroes who have been sending secret messages to the computer. We have keyboard, mouse, joystick, camcorder, digital camera, webcam, tilt sensor, distance sensor, touch screen, buttons, and switches. Alright, these are the superheroes who have been sending secret messages to the computer. So we have 10 superheroes here. Your mission, dear detectives, is to remember these superheroes because they are the ones sending secret messages to the computer. Your mission, dear detectives, is to remember these 10 superheroes because they are the ones sending secret messages to the computer. Next, we enter the world of output devices, the superheroes that show what the computer is doing. All right, they show the brains, they play out the results of what the computer has processed. Now let's look at these superheroes: screen, printer, buzzer, servo motor, and lights. As device detectives, your job is to spot these output superheroes and see what the computer is doing or showing. Do you want a trick? The trick here is input goes in, output comes out. Alright, detectives, here is your mission. Can you sort the following devices into input and outputs? Okay, so we have the devices: screen, microphone, camcorder, buzzer, servo motor, webcam, tilt sensor, motor, distance sensor. Can you sort these superheroes under input and output device? Okay, let's go. Answers revealed. So these are the superheroes. So superheroes for input devices, we have microphone, camcorder, webcam, tilt sensor, distance sensor. Superheroes for output devices, we have screen, buzzer, servo motor, and motor. Dear detectives, before I go, there is a superhero known as the monitor, okay? But for the sake of Pearson, Pearson didn't include monitor, okay? So we stick to screen. Let's look at the specification again. Okay, so 3.5, no different types of input devices and output devices. So if we look at the output devices here, there is no mention of monitor here. So monitor has been replaced with what? Screen. So let's stick to screen rather than writing monitor. Okay, if you write monitor and if you write screen, you'll get the same mark. But let's stick to mark scheme answer. So let's stick to screen. Now screen is an output. But if you want to write it as an input device, if you want to write it as an input device, then you add touch to it for it to become touch screen. Touch screen is an input, screen is an output. Okay, dear detectives. Congratulations, detectives. You've explored the world of input and output devices, met the heroes, and completed your first mission. Keep your eyes open. Devices are everywhere around you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures. Yeah, detectives, I'll make another video to explain what each of the superheroes does. Keep your eyes open. Devices are everywhere around you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures. Thank you. Bye for now, my detectives.